There are 25 red balls, 47 green balls, and 3 blue balls in a basket. There is a blind man. What is the minimum number of balls that the blind man has to pick to make sure that there are at least 2 balls of different colors? 48 balls. There is a small chance he may pick up 47 green balls in a row. One brick is 1 kilogram and half a brick heavy. What is the weight of 1 brick? One brick weighs 2 kilograms. How can you give someone $83 using exactly 7 bills without using any $1 bills? Give them one $50 bill, one $20 bill, one $5 bill, and 4 $2 bills. Divide 20 by half and add 30. What do you get? $70. 20 divided by 1/2 plus 30 equals 70. If you toss a coin 10 times and it lands heads up every time, what are the chances it will land heads up if you toss it again? There is a 50-50 chance of each toss being either heads or tails. The previous toss does not impact the next toss. The combined age of Jack and John is 49. Jack is twice as old as John was when Jack was as old as John is now. How old are the brothers? Jack is 28 and John is 21. When I take 5 and add 6, I get 11. But when I take 6 and add 7, I get 1. What am I? Clock. You have 14 brown socks, 14 blue socks, and 14 black socks in your sock drawer. How many socks must you remove without looking to be sure to have a matched pair? My daughter has many sisters. She has as many sisters as she has brothers. Each of her brothers has twice as many sisters as brothers. How many sons and daughters do I have? Four daughters and 4 sons. Each daughter has 3 sisters and 3 brothers, and each brother has 2 brothers and 4 sisters. Sally is 54 years old and her mother is 80. How many years ago was Sally's mother 3 times her age? "41. What is half of 2 plus 2? "3. "In 2 years, I know I'll be twice as old as 5 years ago," said Tom. How old is Tom? "12. Add me to myself and multiply by 4. Divide me by 8 and you will have me once more. What number am I? Any number. In 1990, a person is 15 years old. In 1995, that same person is 10 years old. How can this be? "2005 BC. He was 5 years old in 2000 BC, 10 in 1995 BC, and 15 in 1990 BC. "4 years ago, Alex was twice as old as Jake. 4 years from now, Jake will be 3/4 of Alex's age. How old is Alex? "12. Use the numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 and the symbols plus and equal to make a true equation. "2 plus 5 equals 3 plus 4. If you go to the movies and you're paying, is it cheaper to take one friend to the movies twice or 2 friends to the movies at the same time? It's cheaper to take 2 friends at the same time. In this case, you would only be buying 3 tickets, whereas if you take the same friend twice, you are buying 4 tickets. There are 2 fathers and 2 sons. They walk into a candy store and each buys a candy bar for 50 cents. The total for all of the candy bars was $1.50. How is that possible? There was a grandfather, a father, and a son. What 3 positive numbers give the same result when multiplied and added together? 1, 2, and 3. What number do you get when you multiply all of the numbers on a telephone's number pad? Zero. Anything multiplied by 0 will equal 0.